Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So with me I have a question under calculus which says that for what values of k is y equal to e to the power kx is a solution of this differential equation that you see here. Okay, so with us we have this function y which is equals to e to the power kx, and I thought to say for what values of k is this function a solution to this differential equation. So what we simply need to do here is to simply find the value of x, and that simply satisfies this differential equation. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to look at what we're given in this equation. So we're taught to find the second derivative, then we say we add with 2 times of the first derivative, then minus 8 times of the function, the same function y. Then what we get, this has to be equal to 0. Now let's get started. Our function y is said to be equal to e to the power kx. So from this that we have, we're going to find our first derivative. So we'll find dy over dx. So to find the derivative of this one, we're going to drop the k here to multiply with e. Then we say k to the power x. We'll find our first derivative. Now let us find the second derivative. To find the second derivative, we just differentiate the first derivative. So this will be, we'll drop the k to come in. Now since there's a k already here, it will multiply, giving us k squared, then e to the power kx. So now go back to our differential equation. While there is this one, we'll substitute that. So this gives us k squared e to the power kx. Then we say plus 2 times of the first derivative, which is this one. So we say 2 multiplied by k e to the power kx. Then we say minus 8 times of this function, which is e to the power kx. This is said to be equal to 0. So if you look at this equation of ours, we have k here, we have e to the power kx, e to the power kx, e to the power kx. So it will be factorized. Upon factorizing it, we're simply going to remain with k squared here, then plus here remain with the 2k, then we say minus 8. This is equals to 0. Okay, so what we now do is we'll divide both sides by e to the power kx, even near e to the power kx. So that is, we remain with k squared plus 2k minus 8 is equals to 0. So now this that you see is a quadratic equation. So what we need to do is to find k. So we use factorization method, while we find the product, sum, and the factors. So our product is a negative 8. Our sum is a positive 2. So what we now do is look for two numbers, of which when we multiply we get a negative 8. Then when we add, we get a positive 2. So those two numbers are negative 2 and positive 4. So negative 2 times 4 gives us negative 8. Negative 2 plus 4 gives us a 2. So now to find k, we just swap the signs of our factors. So that will mean that our k will be equal to, since this one is negative, mean that it will be positive 2, or since this one is positive, it means that we're going to get a negative 4. So these are simply the values that satisfies this equation. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.